How to make $1,000 with Twitter. Affiliate marketers frequently favor the most popular social networks. However, Twitter is not given much attention. In fact, it's uncommon to hear an expert in affiliate marketing discuss it. Most likely as a result of their being overly preoccupied with uploading images of their hired Lamborghini on other social media sites. So, aside from huge corporations, Twitter would seem to be a waste of time when examined subjectively. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. Simply put, it's excessively noisy. But when you look at Twitter objectively, you have to at least admit two things. 330 million people utilize it regularly. There, affiliates earn money. Therefore, let's set our emotions aside and examine Twitter from a business perspective. But before we begin, let's define what we mean. What is Twitter affiliate marketing? When you use either free or paid tweets to recommend goods or services to your followers on Twitter, you are engaging in affiliate marketing. Depending on the kind of affiliate program you're marketing, you can then make a commission fee from that recommendation that is either percentage-based or flat rate. Basically, this is how affiliate marketing works on every other platform. The main distinction is that instead of pushing goods to website visitors, you are doing so to your Twitter followers. So let's examine how this particular affiliate marketing approach functions. Twitter Affiliate Marketing Guide. Selecting a niche is one of the first steps in creating a niche or authority website. Afterward, decide which affiliate networks you want to market. In that sense, Twitter is not any different. Choose a Twitter niche. Be ready to specialize if you want to succeed on Twitter because broad niches don't appear to work very well there. For instance, you might solely talk about keto diets rather than marketing diet products. Instead of constantly advertising a different affiliate program, it is how you gain a loyal audience. Unsure about how to choose a niche? Don't worry, we've already done the research for you on more than 80 of the top niches available. Using the Explore page, you can also see what people are talking about to choose an affiliate marketing niche. To identify at least one affiliate program you can make money from, you can also use some of the top affiliate marketing networks. Some of our favorites are as follows. Junction Commission. Rakuten Advertising ShareASale. Or you might advertise one of your preferred brand's affiliate program. There are many more options available, such as ClickBank, if you wish to market digital-only goods to Twitter users. However, it might be equally simple to excite your followers' interest in a tangible good. Then send them to your site where they can read a review with an affiliate link. Another thing to think about is looking for and joining affiliate programs that offer recurring commission. At this point, it's crucial to find out how Twitter feels about affiliate connections. Just good as long as you're not spamming folks, is the response. However, they will automatically label some affiliate link types as unsafe. You needn't ask us to list the affiliate marketing deals that might be classified in that way. Your affiliate program and niche research are now taken care of. The time has come to grow your audience. Get involved in more followers. If you're not already familiar with Twitter, it's a social networking site for microblogging. Microblogging is the practice of writing blog posts with fewer than 280 characters per tweet to communicate with your followers. Therefore, if you want to profit from its user base, you actually need to start by concentrating on engagement. Now let's talk about how you would go about doing that. Twitter profile of you. The first thing you should do is spend some time filling out your profile. It promotes a favorable image for your internet business, and it's great practice to add a little bit of your individuality. That is why companies put so much work into their social media identities. Profiles should therefore matter to you if they do to businesses. Use a real photo of yourself on your profile, too. The majority of Twitter users use an avatar or cartoon as part of their profile, which is why this is the case. Therefore, utilizing a real photo can increase engagement by fostering a sense of trust, which is crucial when you later advise your followers to use affiliate marketing products and services. Basically, make your profile distinctive and intriguing. How to gain followers. Consequently, let's begin with one of the most crucial Twitter marketing advices that far too many affiliate marketers disregard. Don't buy followers. Although it could boost your ego, it is a time and money waste. Paid followers rarely interact with your tweets because they are typically bots. You'll find accounts with 50k followers that can hardly muster 100 likes when they post because of this. Additionally, you'll be exposed as a fraud, which will negatively affect your credibility. Additionally, a lack of reputation results in poor conversion rates, which eliminates any prospect of success for your affiliate marketing links. The question is, how do you go about engaging them in what you have to say? Find well-known Twitter users who are influential in unrelated fields and follow them. Share their tweets. Quote: as a component of an affiliate marketing strategy, Tweets are significantly more successful than a simple retweet. Basically, participate in their threads and you'll notice that soon some of their followers will also start to like your stuff. Uncertain about the talks you should participate in? View the trending items. Then look for a post that you believe is at least loosely linked to your area of expertise. Don't get sucked into conversations that are useless to you in terms of affiliate marketing because time is money to the affiliate marketer. Which leads me to my next point. Prevent drama. Drama is very much a thing on social media. It just so happens that Twitter is among the worst sites for it. So be careful not to become involved in interpersonal conflicts. Don't waste time on angry people because they are not your target audience or demographic. Always keep in mind that social media is permanent since turmoil of this nature has seriously damaged the reputations of some businesses. Chat on Twitter. These conversations are a fun approach to get more well-known on this platform. A Twitter chat is similar to a moderated discussion, but it is focused on a single subject and a single hashtag. So, search for ongoing Twitter talks in your niche and join them. Eventually, some of the people you meet will stick with you. Alternatively, once you have a few thousand followers, think about holding your own Twitter discussion. The majority of marketers totally disregard this strategy for driving traffic to their affiliate deals. Plenty of tweets. If you want to be noticed on Twitter, you need to be active. And clicks on any affiliate marketing initiatives you have linked to. So if you want to stand out from the throng, be ready to tweet at least 6 times every day. One clever tweet might possibly garner a lot of attention. But it's improbable. The biggest influencers all create content frequently because of this. Design your tweets. You don't have to write your tweets in one continuous block of text just because everyone else does. The 280-character limit imposed on each tweet clearly influences this writing style. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing facts, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video, don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.